Hey, what is up, lawn care community? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for stopping by. In today's video, I'm gonna be installing the sit-on seat for the stand-on commercial mowers. This is a Ballard product. Let's check it out.
Ooh, he nasty.
Okay guys, so here is the seat. We're gonna be putting it on my Gravely Pro Stance 48. I think it's gonna be pretty self-explanatory. You got the pre-drilled holes on the frame on the bottom, so I don't know how wide this is, this stand-on platform for the Gravely, but you know, it should be pretty easy to just get in right there. Put it on there. So I am noticing that there's a little lip down here at the end. That might cause a few issues. But I'm thinking that it should still work out fine. Okay, well let's try to do some installation and see where we get with this. Okay guys, so real quick, from the first time that I lined it up, I actually moved it back down here on this set of holes so it'll take the angle back, because when I first put it in the factory setting, the seat was touching the pad, which would leave no room for me and for my legs. So I'm gonna probably drill these holes now. I think it says it's 5/8 bit. Let's see here. Go to our directions. When I got it out of the box, it was basically all assembled in this final form. Yeah, okay, 3/8 bolts. So I'll try to find that bit and let's drill these holes. All right, so we found the right size bit. Guess it's the 3/8. And we got our holes drilled. I already made sure that the bolt slips through the hole. Now let's see how our alignment went. Okay guys, here it is. Took me like, I don't know, 45 minutes for the whole thing, all inclusive. And you know, I don't think it had too much of a problem. I know someone's gonna rip me apart for having my bolts in upside down, whatever, but this little lip here, you know, I couldn't really bring the bolt back too far, because then this started running into the curve. But pretty easy installation. Just line it up, drill the 4 holes. It's gonna sound like it's shaking just because everything else is so adjustable underneath it, but it's definitely sturdy down here. So there you have it, guys. There's the sit down, the stand-on seat from Ballard Products. It was super hot today. It's like 85 degrees, so it's definitely sweating while putting this thing on. Let me know if this video is helpful for you guys, and I'll show you how it's gonna work when I pull in and out of my trailer now. Hopefully I should be able to just chill on the seat